Corey Bagley. My YouTube channel is Rockhead Roll, and just caught a coal train on the tracks. Don't remember what the engine was. I'll look it up with the video later. But I wasn't even here 5 minutes and caught the first train. I'm on Yadkin Road in Chesapeake. My Sunday spot is going to probably be my usual because it's very active. If you saw my videos from Friday, I chased the Chesapeake and Albemarle train for a couple hours. Started in Chesapeake and worked my way into Moyock. Then in Elizabeth City, they shut the train down around 5 p.m. to probably resumed on Saturday. I know that they leave on Monday. They leave to go from Edenton south back to North Chesapeake and then into the Port Lock Yard. Anyway, signing off. See you in the next video.